Give it a few minutes for everyone to kind of join in here, and then we'll start. What's up, Sam? What's up, Maxie? What up, what up? Give it a few minutes for everyone to kind of join in here, and then we'll start. It's like 85 degrees here in New Jersey. There's no shot that I was sitting inside. We only get a couple nice days out of the year, and I do my very best to make sure that I'm outside on the nice days. I got plenty of rainy days left. Why'd I block you on Twitter? You probably like the trolls post. Romel, what's up? What's up, James? Beyond the PDT, where are you guys at? Oh, New York? Nice. Where in New York? What's up, Corey? Let's give this a few minutes, and then we'll start. What did everyone trade today? How's the weather? Sunny, 85 degrees. Don't get shit like this too often. Did someone tell Bao to go on Instagram? Someone message him in MIC. OTLK, Sienna, first bounce. Nice, Brittany. That was a perfect first bounce play. Hey, there he is. All right, let me bring Bao on. Get in here, and then we will start.
Hey.
What's up, man? You want to give it like another minute before we start? Let's get some more people in here.
Yeah, let's start this in 5 minutes.
Okay, we'll start in 5 minutes. That's cool. Let me get a quick walk in real quick.
I was trading my last trade. Covered BIOC 122 for
nice.
128.
Good shit, bro. Good shit. I was waiting for 135, but you undercut me.
We said 130, man. Line's 130.
Yeah. Yeah. We talked about pre-market. I was just waiting. You did the right thing. What's up, B-Wells? Tom Diesel, what's up, guys? Is that a car behind me? Yeah. All right, we're going to, for the people just joining in, we're going to start in 5 minutes.
Hey, split screen's cool, huh?
Yeah, man. I like how for one time it's sunny here and it's cloudy there. There's not a single cloud in the sky. Well, some.
So I come here and I fake my trades daily. This is where I make Photoshops, guys. This is where I Photoshop all my shit.
Love it. Show us the view, bro.
All right. Dude, welcome to California. You guys in California? You guys are in the... It's actually cloudy today, guys. So New Jersey might be better, man. It's pretty
yeah, for the first time, dude. It's like sunny, 85 degrees. I'm wearing shorts, t-shirt.
Oh shit, you're looking like me, brother.
Yeah, I'm still wearing sneakers though. I gotta buy some flip-flops.
So yeah, well, before we start, people always ask like, why do you need so many monitors? I don't. But why not, man? I mean, dude, monitors are so cheap nowadays, guys. It's like if I can save 1 second, that's big time. Right, I have all my charts up. I have multiple level 2s up. I have multiple order entries ready to go. I have all my information at my fingertip. I do not ever need to go back and start typing into a URL because all the information is there. The fact that I'm saving, dude, even like 10 seconds on each time times 8 hours times 40 hours a week times 256 days a year, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? It adds up, man. How many hours have I saved a year by having an extra monitor? And that's what you have to understand. Timing and time is very important in trading.
Yep. You don't have to get a 4K, 10K monitor, dude. You could just get a cheap one on Amazon or Costco, $100, you know? You don't need anything fancy. Just needs to do the job.
Yep.
All right. Do you want to start or you want to give another second?
Let me set up my stuff and go through the agenda, and then let's go.
Cool. Take the lead whenever you're ready. I'm going to continue my walk.
Super nice day, guys. We okay, let me see. I'm seeing what I have open order. It's always about what I have open. So I'm trying to like put all my orders in before we start this, because once we start this, I'm gonna forget what I'm in and all that stuff. So okay, I have a little OTLK left, not much. Okay. All right. Sounds good, brother. All right, let me see. All right, I have an agenda here, actually. So we can start. So we're trying to do, we are actually, here, let me put this on my monitor. I just bought a stand for whatchamacallit, for selfies. So, all right. What I want to start with is this. I love this split screen, guys. So we are going to start doing, can you hear me? Oh, shoot. Let me put on my headphones.
I hear you perfectly.
All right, I'm missing these headphones.
What a beautiful day.
All right, much better, right, guys? Much better. Can you hear me?
Yep, hear you perfectly.
All right. So we were talking in the room today, and today just seemed to be, I mean, when we came to the day, of course, Monday, everyone's excited to trade. We haven't traded all weekend. And then we get all excited. So I knew that I was not in the best mental state of mind over the weekend, like all this stuff happened over the weekend. And so I went back to basics, man. I told myself, you know what, man, I'm going to stick to that process. I'm not going to size up. Even though OTLK is a day 3, dude, I woke up this morning, I'm like, holy crap, 230, 240, 250, 280, $3. Then it hit 335. So if you just thinking, oh, it's a day 3, it has to die, and you're loading up at 230, 240, 250, you're dead. So you have to have a proper process. So these are the scenarios where, you know what, man, it may work 9 out of 10 times, but if you do not have the right risk management in place, that one time that LTK happens, you're wiped out, man. You just can't handle it. I mean, so proper process is one thing. You know, it's like you can't be greedy. You have to go through a process. So we talked about that in the chat. So later on, me and Alex gonna talk about that trade, but that's afterwards. Okay, so we have a new format. It's probably kind of cool. Me and Alex traded the same stock, but we are not the same trader. We trade similarly based upon technical analysis, but our strategies are similar, but they're not the same. And so I wanted to show everybody the fact that you don't have to trade identical to us to make money. Me and Alex are trading totally different things. We're trading the same stock, but totally different ways to trade. But at the same time, we're making money. There are more than one way to trade to make money, guys. Don't think that you have to emulate someone exactly. Don't think that someone's saying, "Hey, this is the wrong way to trade." You know what the wrong way to trade is? A trade that loses money. If you're consistently losing money, that is the wrong way to trade. If you're consistently making money, who's to say that's right or wrong? Dude, I would love to consistently make money and be called the wrong way to do it, right? It's just like the sports guys, man. It's like, oh, this guy is throwing the football all weird, like Tom Brady. He's not athletic. He's like, but dude, he's getting the job done. So at the end of the day, the process makes sense. So anyways, so I want to talk about this. It's like, so it leads me into what we're Alex and I was saying. It's like what others think that is your weakness may actually be your strength, guys. Okay, think about that. What others feel may be your weakness may be actually your strength. So you have to find your niche. You have to see yourself and know what you're doing. So everybody does things differently. MIC does things differently as well. People laugh at Steve Jobs. They hate him. There's people that love him. There's people that hate him.
But at the end of the day, you know, he did it his way. The same thing. You have to think outside the box. Don't be a sheep. So with that, I don't want to get too much into the drama. I'll tell you, everybody probably joining now to listen to see if we're gonna address whatever happened over the weekend. And you know what? To be honest, man, it's really silly, guys. We're all adults. I mean, it's so stupid to the point where it's like I woke up today. I'm just like, dude, I just want to drop it. It's just really stupid. We you know, we're making money. We're helping people. That's all. You know, I mean, to call us, I just want to end this whole trolling thing. We have 300 people here. I'm pretty sure they're all listening because of this. You know, it's like, I hate the word fraud, con. I mean, dude, if anybody says that, I mean, I just laugh at Alex. I mean, I'm like, I don't understand people saying we don't trade. We were the first to put to post charts every day. We wanted people. So that's what I'm saying. It's like, we were the first to do a lot of things, to basically post our trades every day, losing or not. Alex and I are probably one of the few guys that post a loss on Twitter for the past year. I've been posting losses for a long time. I've been posting on Twitter for a long time. So, you know what I'm saying? So it doesn't matter about P&L, to be honest. I tell you right now, you can look at someone's chart and know they're making money. You can talk to them as a trader and know when they're making money. You can look at their life and see if they're making money. We don't need to show off stuff, right? And so I hate the fact. So I mean, this SMB thing as well. I mean, I don't know if Alex wants to go into it, but I wanted to clear it up and then we can continue on. That's the thing. So today's thing, I just want to clear up all of the misinformation. I'm not going to address anybody in particular because that's not what we want to do. We're not here to bash anybody. We're here just to clear up any misinformation there may be. So Alex, you want to clear off some of that misinformation?
Yeah, I mean, the number one misinformation that people like to say is that I got fired from SMB or that I did something wrong or something like that. But the truth of the matter is that I put out a video explaining why I left SMB. The truth of the matter is that they gave me an ultimatum. They said, you are trading firm capital. We want to see you trade larger. We want to see you make more money, and you have a choice. You either dissolve yourself from MIC and you trade our capital and do what we want, or you continue to grow your business and we part ways. And for me, it was a tough decision, but I chose the business that made me happier. I chose
It wasn't tough. It wasn't tough.
It was difficult. It was the first time in my life I was faced with a giant fork in the road. You know, I never really know how to respond or react in a situation like that. But I basically went and I talked to Dr. Brett at the time, and I said, I want to choose something that's going to make me happy. I'm going to choose what makes me wake up every single day and makes me happy. And to be honest, I've always wanted to work at a firm, and I wanted to live that life and see what it was about. But I learned that driving an hour and a half each way every day was draining. I learned that sitting at a desk and being quiet and not really interacting with people was not what I wanted to do. And at the end of the day, I chose MIC because I fully believed that that's where my passion lied and that's where my happiness lied. So there's a bunch of people lying. There's a bunch of people saying these false truths. And truth matters, I'm still friends with everyone there. The risk manager, Carlton, we're going to meet up for drinks. He actually messaged me about joining MIC and opening up a Cobra account. So I have friends like Swang and Shark. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, I chose what made me happy. And at the end of the day, that was MIC, and it was the best decision I've ever made.
This is what my advice to Alex has been all along. It's like when you start making money, man, money doesn't really influence you anymore. I mean, how much more crap do you need, right? So, I mean, for me, dude, look at me. I'm wearing a T-shirt. I mean, dude, at some point in your life when you can – and you're a consistent trader. I can sit down and make money every day, knock on wood. If I follow my process, I can make money every day. I've made money every day for 3 weeks now. It's like the only time I lose money, I tell you right now, is I break my process. Either I get bored and I short zombie hours or I short heavy front side. But if I stick to the process, we can make money every day. So after a while, to be honest, it's like making money is boring. I'm telling you, man, sometimes I would fuck around on purpose just to see if I could make money back. It's stupid as shit, okay? I mean, I would be like, I don't give a fuck. Let me do it. They just fuck around. Because you're so bored. I mean, like, so I'm like, I made a lot of money in the morning. I'm going to fuck around and lose $2,000 back because I'm fucking bored. That is my price of entertainment. So then I realized, you know, man, that's kind of stupid. I need to practice what I preach to the MIC guys. So I started MIC with Alex, and, you know, it was a game changer in the sense of, dude, man, we found happiness through just helping other people. And so I wanted to end all these stupid rumors about money, and I mean, it's just ridiculous.
If we were
background checks, tell them about your
that's what
background checks.
I was just gonna say that. Do you think they would give me millions and millions in buying power if they did
How many
a background?
dollars did you get?
I can't say, but it was definitely over $4 million in buying power. That's what I can say. I can't say the exact number. I can just say what it was above.
Yep.
So
It's a shitload.
why would they give me so much money in buying power if they did background check me, background check my family, background check Bao, background check my dead uncle? They do that shit on purpose. They would never put themselves in a situation.
You guys have to understand the trolls. They're trying to create some sort of. It's logical. Okay, SMB started by what? 2 lawyers.
Yeah, 2 lawyers, Mike and Steve, and they have a partner, Andy Kirshner.
So obviously, if they're going to give you $5 million to trade or whatever it is, okay, they're just hiring you. I don't care about the money they give you, right? The fact that they hire someone, they're doing background checks, and they know that you're with MIC. Don't you think that they've done their due diligence to know that, hey, man, I'm not going to put my name and reputation into someone who's a fake. So Alex had to send 3 years, right, of audited information, like his stock account. So, I mean, these guys...
And that's how they give you the buying power. They look at how much money you've made, and then they adjust you, and they give you a certain amount of risk plus capital based on your performance. And it's actually funny because my first day was July 3rd, which was a very interesting day.
So that's the thing, man. I hate the fact that there's conspiracy theories on, Alex got fired because he's hiding losses. I mean, are you? I mean, dude, we're posting out statements from SMB. You think we dare to post a lie when SMB is like, dude, they're a bunch of lawyers. They can sue us anytime, man. You see what I'm saying? It's stupid. Over what? So these rumors, I don't want to start talking about the rumors, but I just want to end right now. It's like, no one got fired from SMB. They're still friends. There's background checks that's been done.
Calling someone a fraud is a big statement to say. Calling someone a fraud is a massive statement to say. You better be damn sure you have some proof to say that, or else you are fucking screwed. You cannot be saying that shit, especially after all these background checks and all these verified profits, this and that. If you call someone a fraud ever, you better be able to back that shit up, or don't even open your mouth about it. That's just
so
true.
I'm gonna end it right there. It's very logical. We all smart adults, okay? In order for Alex to get hired, 3 years of audited trades, they ain't stupid. They ain't giving someone money and letting them trade on day one with that much buying power unless they know. And they know that they're doing background checks on his family to make sure that no one, like, dude, I'm not going to give someone millions of dollars unless I do all my background checks around all his people, his company, his businesses. So this is during the time of MIC. So, I mean,
correct.
I don't know what else to say, man. We hate sitting here and having to talk about these stupid rumors, okay? And it's all misinformation when you think about it logically. And the second rumor is this. It's like, we don't know how to trade. We're scamming the people. We're living off of the subscription service. Dude, we just started MIC 9 months ago. 9 months ago. If we wanted to make money, I would have started this thing years ago. Why all of a sudden now, 9 months ago? You know what I'm saying? If I wanted money, why am I throwing all these free events? Why? I'm like, dude, I don't even talk about my previous trades. Most of these guys, if they traded and made the much money as I did in the past, they would be bragging about this shit every fucking day. I don't want to bring it up. I don't want to talk about P&L. I'm just talking about the process and helping people make money. And we let our members speak for themselves. They're not stupid. They are not stupid. They would not renew. We would not be growing to 1,000 members in 9 months, 1,000 members in 9 months if we were doing anything bad. You would hear it before it even happens. 1,000 people in the room, I mean, dude, all it takes is one guy. And, you know, and now we launched Lifetime. And, dude, we have a lot of people signing Lifetime. What does that mean? So they started with monthly. They upgraded to annual because they trust us. And now these guys upgraded to Lifetime. Who would do that unless we, you know what I'm saying? And so the logic speaks for itself, man. I don't even want to go there, but so if you want to end it, Alex, let me see. Is there anything else that we need to deal with? Because I'm not going to ever revisit this again, guys. I hate these things. This is a bunch of trolling people that are just, I mean, dude, there's a lot of them, not just one person. I'm not blaming one person in particular, whatever. It's a lot of people feeding people wrong information. I mean, that's the bottom line. They think you're hiding stuff. You can have all sorts of conspiracy theory, guys. But you know, at the end of the day, it's like logic, man. I mean,
also, you can't fight with stupid people. First they say that I'm rich, then they say I'm broke, then they say I'm rich, then they say show us a statement. I show you a statement, it's Photoshop, and then you do this and then you do that, and they're always just going to try to feed their narrative. So at the end of the day, they could continue to talk, but
I had Alex show statements. You know what they say? Oh, he could have just Photoshopped that. And look, it came from the website. Oh, he could have Photoshopped and made a static website. I'm like, at that point, I realized no matter what you do, they will not believe you.
Correct.
You can fucking sit in front of their face and trade in front of their face, and they will say, oh, you had insider information, or you are trading, you're doing some sort of weird thing with your friend. You know, I'm just like, oh.
At the end of the day, I don't see them throwing free events for their members. I don't see them giving free DVDs for their members. I don't see them putting out videos every day for their members. So they could continue to talk while we continue to use our actions to show
ongoing, this is what I told the guys. Ongoing, this is really silly, dude. I'm not here to make a feud or war with anybody. That's not the intention. Everybody makes money trading differently. You don't have to trade the same way. You don't have to join MIC. You can join the free service for MIC and YouTube. You can join other services. We don't care. I just want, to be honest, man, I want to educate whoever wants to learn from me and Alex.
For those in the Instagram live right now, are you an MIC? And if you are, what do you think about it? Say it in the comments here so we can see.
At the end of the day, guys, I'm telling you, man, you can join whatever you want. I'm not here to be at war with anybody. And so from ongoing now, I'm not going to talk about anything. People think I'm bashing on these gurus. Dude, there are certain people that are scamming people that, like the eyebrow guy, dude, there's just straight up like wrong ways to trade and fake shit. Those I call out. But there are many legitimate places, and I'm cool with that. I'm not here. I don't need to bash anybody. Seriously, I'm fine the way we are. And to be honest, not everybody is going to be a fit for MIC, guys. Seriously. Some people hate my guts. Some people hate the way I trade. Some people think I'm a scalper. So be it. There's many ways to trade. I'm not saying my way is the best way. I've never said my way is the best way. I've said all along, I am not the best trader. I have a lot of defective personality traits. I am hyper. I am emotional. You know, I like to go out. I'm not as disciplined as I should be, but I'm fucking making money. Are you the fucking best robotic person in the world? Are you a fucking saint? If you're a saint, you can trade better than me if you learn the way I trade. So I am a prime example here, guys, of a guy that's a normal fucking human being. I like to go out. I like to drink. I'm a normal guy. I joke around. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? But I am still able to trade and make money every day. Knock on wood.
Yep.
I'm on a 3-week streak, man.
Yep. And you actually
want to see the P&L
today?
I'll show you the P&L today. I don't want to show P&L, but later on we're going to show trade analysis, and you'll see.
Yep. I was just going to say, too, that you actually, instead of other people that call out these trades and have all these predictions and do all this shit and they nail it every time, you actually trade what you say you're going to trade, and you don't just throw out predictions like every other person out there.
I hate that, man. I'm telling you, man. I've been in this trade for a long time. I've seen a lot. I call it guru, hindsight guru. A hindsight guru is a guy that is never posting stuff on real time. He's always after the fact. And so he's never wrong. And people go, oh, my God, you're in at this price? He'll never show you a print. They'll never show you anything. They would just bash everybody and just pretend they're good. And when you ask him for a proof, They never showed me the proof. It doesn't matter what it is, but my whole point being is like, I hate to talk. I hate to be a guru. People always ask me this, guys. People go, Bao, what would you have done if this happened? And they ask me at the end of the day. I'm like, dude, I already saw the chart end of the day. You don't need to ask me what I should have done. You look at the chart, you know. So anybody that goes after hours to explain a chart they did not fucking trade, fuck them. They're frauds. I tell you right now, if you're so confident in that fucking analysis after hours, you should be trading it. Why didn't you trade it? Why? Any idiot can look back. I can look back on the Friday chart and explain to you what you should have done. No shit. Did you trade it? I didn't trade it, so you never see me going and analyzing a stock chart that I did not trade. I want to repeat that. I will never analyze a stock chart that I did not trade because it's obvious. No shit what you should do. I see the chart. You don't need to pay me money. What you are paying is to learn how I did it. And I post these charts so where you can go and educate. And I'm not scared to lose money because you know what? That's part of my process. If I lose money, I'll show you. I fuck up. I did FOMO. I have all this stuff, and I show it all the time. That's why people go, oh, Val, you're such a horrible trader. No shit. I'm a normal guy. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not predicting shit. I'm working my process, and then at the end of the day, I'm up. Can I be up more? Of course I can be up more. Can I lose more? Of course I can lose more. So at the end of the day, there's a balance between risk reward. I know myself. I get nervous. If I hold an overnight position, I'm like fucking checking my stocks until 8 p.m. at night. And that's not how I want to live my life anymore. So I nail on my bail and I get the fuck out. Do I leave money on the table? Fuck yes. But you know what, man? I made my fucking money. I leave every day. Today I'm well up over like $6,000, you know? I mean, fuck, dude. Fucking the first hour. I mean, $6,000.
Do you want to do a daily recap, Al? Do you want to do a daily recap right now?
Yeah, let's fucking do it.
All right.
So people keep saying, oh, Bao, you're a horrible trader. You're trading for pennies. All my fucking pennies make me $5,000, $6,000 a day. I'm good with that. But you know what I'm saying? Fuck, dude. I don't need to be fucking like being the fucking master trader and having one fucking print here and one print here and say, I fucking held for 3 days. Well, dude, during that fucking time, I made 100 trades. My charts look like shit, but I guarantee you I made more money than you. And I took less risk than you. Yeah. But anyways, we won't compare on that. I just hate the way people are bashing other people. So I'm gonna recap, and before I recap, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna summarize it 2 things. Okay, I will never recap a trade I did not trade. I will not recap any trades after the fact that I did not trade, because any idiot can fucking recap that shit. I want to see you making that trade. If your system is so good, show me. Show me. So that's what I do. You know what? Every day I do this and I post it so that I can learn and I can refine my strategy. I've been trading better since MIC. I'm telling you right now. Before MIC, I had a process and stuff, but it wasn't really defined because when I started MIC, I'm like, there's 1,000 people. I need to get that process down to a science almost. And you know what? Trading is science, but it's also an art. If it was pure science, the algos will take over and you're dead, which they are. But we are human beings, man. I have money at stake here, and if I'm down like $4,000, I'm fucking shaking. I'm like, fuck, I'm getting too deep. But an algo has no fear. $4,000 means nothing to them. So these guys that says cover your P&L, they must have $1 million in their account. Fuck, $4,000 is a lot to me, and I'm fucking a lot of money. You see what I'm saying? So it's kind of like the idea is to trade the process. Doesn't mean don't look at the P&L. That's what they mean. When they say cover your fucking P&L, bullshit. They're fucking peaking, dude. These guys are under pattern day trader. These guys they just graduated college. They can barely afford their fucking car payment, and they're fucking looking at their P&L. I'm telling you now. But okay. With that in mind, let's do some recaps, and then I'll do so we traded the same stock, OTLK, and so I'm gonna go through my mindset, and then Alex will go through his.
Sure.
And then we will compare, you know what I'm saying? And we both made money and see what's going on. So